driving school in Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. This been here with Pierre Driving School. We have a student here that lives in the Bergen Beach area, Brooklyn, New York. So we've done the lesson, and she's asking that can we do a lesson on her area so she can get very familiar and give some free pointers as a new driver / student going on the road test. All right. So if you live in New York City and you're in the Bergen Beach area, you want Pierre Driving School to help you, feel free to do so. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can definitely do so as we drop videos every single day. So you'll be the first one to be notified, right? We are in Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York, which is part of the area that we cover. You're gonna be doing a few printers, things that you're out to be looking out for when you're doing your wood lesson, when you're doing your wood test with the DMV examiner, things that are not to do. As always, whenever you're doing anything contrary to going straight, you must always signaling all of your attention. I've shared this with many students. I keep stressing it. Many students keep asking, why am I not passing my wood test? Why am I struggling to pass the wood test? It's not about passing your wood test. It's about doing the thing that you're supposed to do as you're taking your wood test for the examiner to let you go home with the license. The test is only 10 minutes, however. It's not that hard for you to deliver within that 10 minutes. We're going on this car here, the car going straight, okay? If we were going to go around, we would have to signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, and go around that guy. Whatever we do, contrary to going straight for the purpose of the road test, you must signal all of your attention. All right, we're coming up to all the way to a stop light here. We're gonna stop. Okay, there's no need for us to stop because the light is green, but we should have stopped where we can see the tire of the car. Where we could have seen the white line. When they stop losing it, that's where we would have stopped. We do not want to go over the white line as you're doing things. Forward planning on your moves. I already seen the light is blinking. I know I'm not gonna go. I'm covering my brake for the car that coming in my way. See what I'm saying? I'm seeing the light turn yellow here. I'm covering the brake when you come to the stoplight. You do not make any jerk stopping, and I'm making a left turn here as this traffic light. You know, I'm gonna stop when I first losing the first white line. All right. These are pro tips as we're making this left turn here. I see there's already a car making it left turns as well. Then now this car here, I'm not gonna go in the way. I'm gonna pull to the middle, let that car clear, because I do not want to make any left turn on the blind spot. All right. In real life, I could have gone with the test with the left turn, but for the road test, you do not want to make any turn on a blind spot. This is a driving lesson in Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. We're gonna go deeper in there to cover a few left and right there and a few printers for you to do. I see the human crossing. I'm not gonna go anywhere until that's completely clear. As always, I check my mirror left, shoulder left, and make my turn, fall right into my lane. All right, coming up to an all the way stop sign. I see the sign here. Everybody get their turn. I'm gonna stop where everybody can see everybody. I'm gonna make a single stop. As you guys can see here, this guy here making a single stop. I'm gonna roll up to my stop all the way up here where everybody can see everybody. Then 1, 2, 3. Then I'm continuing to go, making my turn. I'm also paying attention to the human that was crossing on the right side to see what direction she was going. Okay, so as we're rolling up here, we've already a sign with another stop sign coming up. This is an always stop sign. We're gonna make a stop where everybody can see everybody. Then we go through with the always stop sign. It says a single stop. We come to a complete stop. We look both ways. Okay, no cars is here. We're here first. We continue to drive. All right. This is a driving lesson in Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. All right. So we're gonna keep straight here. We're gonna go deeper. We're keeping straight here across the light. Okay, when we stop, we like to see the tire of the car in front of us tossing the ground. We're not leaving any room for anybody to fit within those gaps. All right. It's not about how you drive, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. Do not go up there showing the examiner you're a pro, although you're a pro, but deliver to the standard to things that they want you to do. All right. I took my road test 3 times before I finally passed by not understanding that it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive. You see, I'm going straight here. There is no way for me to signaling. If I signal, I will mislead the people because I'm not going neither left, neither right. I'm going straight. This is Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. This guy's making a right turn here. We're keeping up straight. Okay, you see I'm signaling left because he's coming up to a stop sign. No need for me. I'm taking him that off. Going straight across here. All right. You guys that are living in this area, if you need more help, let us know. Pierre Driving School. We're making a right turn here at the corner. This is Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. All right. Coming up to full stop here. There's the blind spot on my left side. Okay. All right, making my turn here. All right, mirror right, shoulder right, and make your right turn fall into your lane. Very important. You see how now is this turn here. You want it to drive to fall into your lane for the purpose of the road test. You do not want to be on the yellow line as you're taking your road test, making that right turn. The examiner will get you in trouble for turning onto the wrong side of the street. The street is messed up. I'm driving nice and smooth around these potholes, covering my brake for my car not picking up any speed. We're making a left turn here at this stop sign here. We're gonna make a single stop where everybody can see everybody, and you're gonna make your left turn all the way over by the island. And you do not want to be making the turn on the wrong side of the road. There's no car coming ahead, so to clear, we make sure that we're falling right into the lane. All right, this is a driving lesson here in Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. We covering few left and right, so you guys can have an understanding of what's going on here. We're making a right turn here. This is Bergen Avenue and Avenue L. Making a right turn here. This is a full stop. Your first stop here is for humans. You look to the left, you look to the right, there is no humans that crossing. The second stop, you're gonna make it for traffic when you get to the center of this crosswalk. This is your second stop here. What do you guys notice? I got a heavy blind spot on my left side. I'm gonna lean up towards my right as I'm creeping up to get full clearance. Make sure there is no car that coming on the left side. Okay, it's clear. Then I check mirror right, shoulder right, and continue with my turn. It's falling right into my lane. This Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. Driving lesson here in Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. If you guys have any area you want me to cover, anything that you want me to do as you relate to driving, put in the comment below. And if you've done, let me know in the comment below where are you watching this video now, so I can see if this is an area that I've covered already, or I may make a video about it around that area. If you need help, check PierrePaulDriving.com. Now we're going straight. I've seen the pedestrian on the side of that was coming. I pay full attention to that. Make sure that she was not jumping while I'm driving going over. All right. So let's make sure we're making a few. There's a bump ahead that let me know that to drop my speed limit to 15. Following the road as part of your work, because it comes to an instant the examiner will not tell you to do. They will expect for you to follow the road the correct way. All right. So as we're going straight here, we're gonna pull over to the right to perform a 3-point turn here. Nice and smooth. Mirror right, shoulder right. We're bringing the car over. We're gonna perform a 3-point turn here. All right. 3-point turn here. Okay. Signaling to my left, going all the way across until I sit onto the yellow line. Right over here, okay? We're turning back. Turn the wheel all the way over to your right. Going back. Mirror left cannot pass the yellow. Right over here. Lock it to the left. This is a 3-point turn here. I'm doing on Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. We're doing a driving lesson here. This is driving school in Bergen Beach, Brooklyn, New York. All right. We're keeping up straight here. It says voice. Okay, we're gonna keep to the right side. Signal the attention, we're going over. All right, we're keeping it going here. If you guys want me to cover a specific area, put it in the chat. What you guys notice here is an island that divided the left and the right side. You do not want to make any one turn on that island, then you're gonna be in trouble, right? Whenever I see the divider, we're making a left turn here, which we are allowed to, because it's showing that there's total traffic here. There's no cars coming ahead. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make the left turn. Fall on the right side of the road. All right. Keeping up straight here, and both hands on the steering wheel, covering the brake just in case anybody pull up to your right. Okay. Always forward planning your move. All right. This basically it for the Bergen Beach, Brooklyn. They're coming up to an all-way stop sign. You're coming to the stop where everybody can see everybody, because you have a blind spot that blocking you on the right. You extended it a little bit. Okay, we're here first. Okay, I see the human coming. Is the human coming my way? I'm stopping to see. You see, we're doing what we're doing now. Okay, the human not coming. All right, keeping it going straight here. Okay, speed bump. Cover the brakes so you don't be all over the place here with the car, because the car tends to pick up speed as you're driving, and speed bump are coming along. Speed bump, nice and slow. Okay, it's a nice flying sign flow, going straight ahead. Both hands on the steering wheel, very observant. Always keep checking your mirrors and shoulders as you're going forward. You're ready to do anything contrary with your going straight. At this point now, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel and you want this content to be coming to you, can subscribe, like, and share this video with any families and friends that you may know that may be benefiting to with those content. Remember, driving is a strong activity that requires a lot of responsibility. You must make sure you get as much knowledge as you can get as it relates to driving. So always stop sign here. We're gonna come to the stop here, nice and smooth. Okay, who's here first? We are here first. Let's pull it up, check both direction. We're good. All right, good.